Oh! Bloody... Mummy, watch out! Oh!
That one, can't be.
What?
Upside down.
Hang on, let me have a look. We found something on Johnny's bike. Let's have a look. This can't be right. Has anyone ever up this bad? Right, so these bulletproof things are meant to be like that, obviously with the bulletproof written on the bottom. Look at Johnny's put them on upside down. What an absolute onion. Did you fit them, Johnny?
Teddy did it for you, Eddie.
Who fitted
them? Teddy did it. Teddy did it.
Of course he did. Of course he did. The seagulls flying backwards.
Teddy, you've let me down.
How's he done that?
Like that, aren't they? Teddy.
Look, it's hitting there before it hits your bump stop. Smashing your radiator.
You've got an 8mm, change him now. You fucking retard.
No, don't do them now. Let's go ride.
Oh, Teddy. Hey up!
Oh, he snapped his...
This is a bad evening, isn't it? Oh, Johnny. Well, look how he's got it fixed up.
Johnny. What entertaining is Johnny? The seagull.
100% entertainment.
Let's get him up this bank and see how he goes. Johnny! Isn't it? Oh! Oh! Oh, the pivot point! Oh, he's angry. He's angry.
That's it, kid, now. Do it again.
Johnny will piss this, watch this. If them rad guards were right way around, he'd struggle.
With all them slippy routes, just when you want to give it an handful.
That tree there. What? That tree, put your foot on that tree. Oh, he's doing it with his hand. He put his hand on it.
Not as flexible as you.
Got longer legs, they should have reached out for that one.
Yeah, go for it. It's like the leap of faith, isn't it?
Yeah. Has Johnny got the faith in it? Oh, it's a bit difficult. We've got Bobby, Jamie and Johnny all attempting Husky Bank today. Let's. Roger! Yes, lad!
Yes!
The seagull's in. Oh, hell! You got a bit of a bounce there, Johnny, lad. Roberto! Yes, yes, Bob! Bobby nil point. He's going for the up, or is he down?
I'm bald, aren't you?
That Husky got up first go.
250.
250. Here we go, we're in. Oh, Johnny, lad.
Look how deep that Stormy. Not afraid.
Johnny straight in. That's it, lad.
He should be allowed that bike. But man, when he bought it, they just sling it about some
We're not going to get that one up, Johnny. Have one more go.
What you do?
What's that doing?
What you do, you boy? This is brilliant, lad. Yeah,
Instead of it going to 4
Well, it's very rare we have a signal to do it, you melt.
Oh, that'll help, Matty.
How's actually, hasn't it? Move it about a bit. Go on, Johnny. Oh! Bloody! Bobby, watch out! Oh! Yes! Yes, Bobby! Yes, Bobby, lad! That's a bit backwards. Of the caves?
Yeah.
No, should we go to them? We snapped the throttle there, so we fixed that with some tie wraps, and he broke the wire there, so we've shorted it, hot wired it together like that.
Comment below what you would have done.
I know what Teddy would have done. It's the right bush fix, isn't it, Bob?
Scandinavia or something.
Yeah,
It's good cross-threading, that, Bob.
I'll call it. I'm going down that way tomorrow anyway.
This is such
so.
a good... I mean,
Yeah, we'll do, yeah, see if he
it's
has
in
a
good condition, this bike, isn't it, Bob?
If he doesn't have a because I presume I'll be ordering something
You had a go at that bank there, didn't you?
for that, and that'll be from there.
Savage, innit?
I thought I've been up it, but I haven't, have
I think you have been up it before. I think it's got harder, though.
you giving it another go?
It will if you do. Seagull will fly up there.
You reckon?
That's a good fix. Nice, Johnny. Yeah, I'll give you that. You did. There's a big hole there, Jay. Yes, Bob. Yeah. Yes, Johnny! Whoa! Johnny, I'm a bit concerned about this dry stone wall.
Fucking hell, I ended up having loads last night.
That side of a road. Oh dear. Wow, it's biblical. Big lightning strikes. Ah! Can't see a thing. This is way worse than it was over there.
I know, but look how much it's coming down now.
We need to get over there.
Cleanest bike's been in a while.
Oh, I'm fucking soaked at bone. It's got us, hasn't it, Jay?
We've got skin now, haven't we?
Oh, yeah. Are you leading, Cookie?
I'm going home.
Are you? Oh, let's do a quick bit in here then. Can you hear that thunder crackling? This is awful. Oh, Cookie's got stuck in something there. His bike's welling. Oh! Oh! Fucking hell! That's in deep, lad! That's in real deep. This ride changed fast. I'm soaked, Bobby. I'm actually dripping. Oh. Who did that donut? Yeah, that's a good one. Oh, headbutt. Headbutt. Oh, to the bloody face as well. Wow. All of a sudden the Metza 60 that's worn down to nothing has become a problem. It's the first time I've really struggled with it, and it's just took a bit of wet. Maybe time to get back on the Mitch medium. That's what I'm dealing with right now. Oh, that's just sucks as well. That'll be all over lens, won't it? No, I can't. My vision's gone. I don't know, I'm better with my doors closed or open on the old air screens. I haven't worked it out yet. Too new. Get your air screens at PCT Suspension. And don't forget to get your tyres at EnduroTyres.com and all your essentials. Ride nutrition. Wait a minute. Where have they gone? To go this way. Yeah. Oh! Oh! Bobby! Tell them what? It's the tyres! The tyres are doing me in. Bloody lovely. Jonny!
Oh, Bobby's coming!
Oh shit! Let's get out of his way! But it's got fuel in. Ah! Yeah, you do get a crack off that now, don't you, with wet fingers? Fucking hell. Oh no, Bob. Maybe we need to dry his hands so he stop getting electrocuted. It's time for a new one, isn't it, Bob?
Shit bike like this and get everyone to drag it up the hill.
You're not allowed bikes this old anyway, Bob. Well, this hasn't been a brilliant ride, has it? Certainly some water in them gloves. Nice. Oh. Just put them on pipe. Shall put them on pipe, dry them out a bit. Whew. Right, let's have a look. This could be the end of the video, and if it is...
What? Tell your mum, your dad, your sister...
your auntie, your uncle, your girlfriend's cousin, and your pet lizard to subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
like, on, subscribe. Where'd you get your tyres, Johnny? Let's leave it that, bosh. Okay, go on, Johnny.
EnduroTires.com.
Who did you get your rad guards off?
EnduroTires.com.
Who fitted them?
EnduroTires.com.
Really? Are you sure? Oh! Oh, it's bullying! The KTM's are... Oh, the KTM! Absolutely bullying the Husky! Look at him! He didn't even get a spin on!